Plane ke gore re kgotlhetse mollo. Gompieno jana ba tabogata ba ke dikodiseng ditlhogo.
It's a coffee, especially Maraga or Olegaronko.
It's my pleasure.
Okay. I would hate to overstay my welcome, but that's yeah, my girl.
Oh yes, definitely. Ngiyabonga for everything else.
Okay, if there's anything else to talk on, I will still kind of this.
Mogonna o tshwana le phefwana e fokang mo mesong. Sefatlhego sa gago ke letsatsi le le tlisang lesedi mo lefifing. O beetroot gareng ga my 7 color Sunday course motho wa ka. O kerese e galelang ka nako tsa load shedding.
So yeah, that's my character.
Are there certain traits that you can pick from this Han with yourself, relating it to who you are as an individual, Ole Angela, and that role that you're playing, your Neya eating?
Well, I would say the secretive part. Because I think a lot of people now have seen that part of me because I had to keep this as a secret for a very long time. So eating is also like that. She's very secretive. Some people say I'm complicated, eh? So yeah, but I am also a fighter. I'm a fighter in life, Yeah. I don't wallow in self-pity. So yeah, I think that's what we have in common.
And what is the future looking like for Angela? I mean, she just got this really big role, Muvhango. Any sort of plans that you might have for the remaining of the year, and hella just for yourself, where would you like to see yourself being in the next couple of years?
Well, for now, Muvhango is what I'm working on and what I have all of my attention on. So that's what people can check out for now. But for the future, I would really love to work with more productions. I would also like to have my own projects because I believe that I'm actually not here just for myself. I'm also here for Motswana because they want to make it out here, because it's hard in Motswana. So I'm here to crawl so that they can walk, so that they can fly also. So I'm not only here for myself, but also for them. That's one of the projects that I would love to work on in the future.
This is really amazing. Well, congratulations to you. You are the girl of the moment, trending on social media, trending on Twitter, on Instagram. And it's so amazing. I just remember that you were a model, I think, at one point in your life. And I know you as a model. So when I saw this news, I was like, yes. Because I also remember that we were in the same, was it the same theater class? Yaga Marapo. I'm not sure.
Were we in the same class?
Yeah, I did that elective. Kuyubi Maya acting movement and mime. I think I was in year 3, 2016.
Oh, God. Now that you say it's now coming back to me.
You see how we know each other.
Yeah. But the crazy thing is that a lot of people don't know me as an actor because many people in Botswana know me as a model.
Exactly.
They know me as a video vixen.
Yes.
And this part of being an actor is like new to them.
Girl, but it's also super amazing. Tamatswela hela yalo re ta go lebella ka 9 p.m. mo Muvhango re bona gore wa yana eating we ra yang ebile potsengwe ke gone gore do you speak Setswana on that set kana you are speaking Sekgowa kana go bua Sevenda gone mo Muvhango wena o bua sekai?
Hey, like you guys are fine. And you know what? Setswana favela I give man like it's more like I go maung because that's where I come from,
Tabo's in the studio right now. I've got a colleague of mine in studio. Tabo is so hyped because warotako maungle and kimusana ko moching.
Oh, that's lovely.
Congratulations, Angela. Congratulations, girl. Thank you so much for chatting to us today. Have yourself a great day, a great night, a great week. Follow social media. What are your social media handles?
Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Angela Atlam. Just Angela Atlang.
Angela Atlang. Alrighty.
Yes.
And there you have it.
Yes.
Congratulations, girl. Keep soaring high and inspiring us. Lorna we ke dira ba taipana re setse re le ko bo Josiana re setse re le mo MTV wa tlhaloganya ke rayang.
Yo, yes, you should. You should come here. Thank you so much, Kedi. Thank you also for your team, eh?
You're most welcome, boo. Enjoy.
Thank you, eh?
Cheers. Alrighty, it's 5:59. We've got the news coming through next in 1 minute time. Our very own Angela Atlang out Muvhango tonight will be premiering her big debut on the show. So you better catch it on SABC2 9 p.m. and she'll be spreading Botswana's flag higher and higher.